Hi and welcome. Today we are going to be making a no-bake lemon cheesecake pie. Easy to do, great pie for the summer. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to need 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. To that we are going to add a half a cup of white sugar and we are going to beat that all together until smooth. Now I'm going to add half of a 15 3/4 ounce can of lemon pie filling. The other half we will save for later. Now we're going to go ahead and mix this in well. Now we're going to go ahead and fold in 8 ounces of whipped topping. Now we're going to need a 9-inch graham cracker crust. I'm just using store-bought today. I'm pretty sure this is 8 inches. It doesn't say on here. So I'm probably going to have a little bit left over. That's okay. I know a little girl that would probably love having the leftovers. Now we're just going to go ahead and add this to our graham cracker crust. I don't know, maybe this is a 9-inch. At any rate, I'm probably going to add it all. We're just going to take our leftover pie filling and decorate the top. Now we need to refrigerate this, I would say, for a good hour before serving. So I'm going to go ahead and pop this in the fridge, and when this is ready to slice up, I will be back. It's been an hour. I cut a slice of pie. I already took a few bites and filmed it, but my TV was going and it was interfering. So I get to do this over. Lucky me. But let me tell you, it's delicious. As I said earlier, this would make a great summer pie. It's so quick and easy, and it's absolutely delicious. If you like this video, if you could, please give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. That helps me out somehow. How, I have no idea, but I would appreciate it if you could do that. Also, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. I upload videos weekly. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.